Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ukachi and welcome to 2020. If you are new to my channel, please ensure you hit the subscribe button that is below and the notification bell just beside that. If you're not new, you are welcome in the name of the Lord. You're welcome back home. So in today's video, hack, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my natural hair product stash, things I own, like hair products, not hair tools, cause that's another story. So I'm sharing my hair products that I own, things I do not own that I own. It's everything. I have everything here in this big ass basket. My shampoo, my conditioner, my oil, everything. Last year I was a hoarder, but this year I'm taking things a little more easily, like a little bit more easily. I'm not taking it easily, like even though it's not easy, but I'm taking it easily this year. I decluttered a lot. I gave out stuff, a lot of stuff last year to my friends, my sisters, because I owned a lot of stuff. Like it was just very annoying, and I bought most of it with my money, like a lot of it with my money. All of it with my money, most of it, I think, except the ones I want to give you, but I paid for shipping, so I technically bought it. So well, this year story has changed. I got a lot of stuff in PR from last year, like ending of last year. So I'm sharing with you like the ones I got in PR. I'll tell you guys when I got in PR, the ones I bought and all that good stuff. So without further ado, you know how we do it, but let's get right into this video. The first thing I'm going to share, let me start from the least to the most. So like the least important. So the first I'm going to be sharing with you guys is my anti-dandruff spray that I got from Bell Styles, an anti-itch spray actually. Like when they sent this to me, at that point in my life, I needed it. Like every small thing, my scalp would just be itching like crazy. Like I've used it up to here, like, cause this hair was doing me one kind at one point. Like it was really hot and this was the solution to my problem. So this is the Bell Star anti-itch spray, scalp spray, and I've been using this for a while. I can't remember when I got it, but I've been using this not on steady because my scalp has stopped itching me and it's feeling cute. So this is my anti-itch spray from Bell Star. This is the only anti-itch spray I own. And let me see how long it lasts. So it's expiring in 2021, so I have the whole year to use it, a whole year and a half to use it. So this is the first anti-itch spray. The next I'm going to show you guys that's like least important are my gels, my jellies, my gels. I own two gels. I own the Eco Styler professional styling gel in the crystal flavor. This is the, let me see the size, it's 24 fluid ounces size, and I own the Gorilla Moco de Gorilla Snot Gel with a hold of 10, and this is in the sport flavor. It's blue inside. I've used, you guys saw that in my first YouTube video, like I'm going to have a link below. I used the Gorilla, I've been using Gorilla Snot Gel for like 3 years now, and I'm still using Gorilla Snot Gel. These are like my babies, so these are my gels that I own. Next up, let's move on to my powders, guys. My powders. I received these powders from Hair Essentials by Axe. They are my plug for Ayurvedic powders and hair products actually. And these are the three powders I own at the moment. I own Shea Butters in school. I own these three powders. This is the Shikakai powder. This is the fenugreek powder. I need without again. And this is the Amla powder. I've been using this since like last year December. I use for my sister's hair. I use to make Ayurvedic tea. Where is it? This is it for my hair. I use it to make the Ayurvedic hair masks and all that stuff. So these are my powders from Hair Essentials by Axe. And the next one, should we do oils? Let's do oils. Let us do oils. So I own quite a number of oils. I own about 4 oils. I've only used 2 of them. Yeah. So this is my Lucy hair products oil. I've pressed the life of this bottle. Like you can see that Ukachi has manipulated, I've assaulted this bottle. Like I have pressed the life of this bottle. I use this to travel to my village. And this is their hair growth oil. The 250 ml bottle, the biggest oil out of all the oils I've ever used in my life. This is twice the size of any oil that is here. At least it's twice out of this one. So this is my Lucy hair products oil. This retails for about 3K or so. I'm not sure. I think I am sure 3K. Yes. So this is my hair products oil. The next oil I'll show you guys is my beautiful and another super edges hair growth serum. This oil is like the most bougie-ass looking oil I've ever seen in my life. Like using gold for an oil bottle is already bougie because oil is usually gold. When I make it gold and glass, bam, bam. What else do you want? So this is my beautiful and other super edges and hair growth serum. It has ginseng, and that thing that smells like ginger. Ginger has brought that, yes. And the next one I'm showing you guys is my avocado oil from Hair Essentials by Axe. Like they make hair products also. Yeah, they made the powder. So this is Hair Essentials by Axe avocado oil. I've never even unwrapped this because I'm saving it for like when all these ones are done, and I'm like, avocado oil to save the day. I had never used avocado oil before in my life, so this is going to be the first time trying this, and I can't wait to try it. It's quite like their products are like, it is clear, there's no color or anything like that. I don't know how avocado smells. I've never eaten avocado in my life also, so new year to try new things. And finally, last oil I own is from African Pride. It's their Moisture Miracle oil. This oil is a 5-in-1 oil, and I think it also retails for 3,000. It's a 118 ml bottle, so it's the biggest oil aside from this hair product oil. It's the biggest one. So this is their oil from African Pride. So I think we're done with oils. So what else? So for shampoos, I own 3 shampoos. I own the Bell Star shampoo. I've used this once. Yes, I own the Bell Star shampoo. Smells really okay, and I don't know how much it retails for, and it's paraben free. Another product I own is the Soft Naturals from, this is actually was actually sent to me by Hair Essentials by Axe. Beautiful brand. I own this also. This is the cream cleanser shampoo. I don't even know if it's a shampoo, it's a cleanser. So, and finally the beautiful another anti-dandruff purifying shampoo. I'm just chilling to try it when I have time to try this product. Sorry, yo. I own only 3 shampoos at the moment at home. So let me shampoo. Let's move on to deep conditioners and rinse out conditioners together as one, because that's a lot of stuff to talk about. I own this Bell Star conditioner. It's actually a 2-in-1. It can use as an instant or a deep conditioner, and I've used this for my sister. It's even here, like it is here. That's how clear I've used it. And really, like, it leaves your hair really moisturized. And I need to share with you guys a review of hotel products, and I talked about this in the video, so just watch that video and get the review of it. And that rinse out conditioner I have is the Soft Naturals rinse out conditioner. It's a cream conditioner, beautiful consistency, really thick, gets the job done, really beautiful, and I stand. And it's also a rinse out and instant conditioner. So rinse out after 3 minutes, all that good stuff. So another conditioner I own. So another one that I own, I think we should do the conditioners, is this 10-minute hair mask, also from Soft Naturals. I love this. I used this yesterday night for the first time, and my hair is like singing Hallelujah Hosanna on my head right now, like hallelujah. Like, I love this. This is a deep conditioner. Another one, or another 2, or another 3, or another 4 is the Beautiful Another. I think I'm saying another, so I'm like, oh, sorry. Beautiful Another deep conditioner, which rice water and palm oil. This is a protein treatment, and I've not tried. It's still sealed. I've not tried it before or anything, so I'm just like, I told you guys I'm trying to try this brand. I'm just chilling, like when I have the patience and the strength to try it. Sorry, you. Okay, 300 ml. Another deep conditioner I own is this from Auntie Jackie. I purchased this last year, December. It was on sale, and I can't wait also to try this because I snapped it. I can't wait to try this one. Like when I have the time and the energy to try it, I will actually try it. Okay, this is the Lucy Hair Products Living Conditioner. You guys have seen it on my Instagram, you've seen it on my Facebook, you've seen it on my everywhere. I am already have done with the bottle. This is going to be for especially for my twists. This is like a curling cream. It is perfect for twists. I think aloe vera is the main ingredient, so your teeth will be looking so lush and so plump. So the other two I own are this from Bell Star and this from Saucy Naturals. How can I even forget? I've been saying their name like 50 times today. So these are the two other leave-in conditioners I own. This is actually a baby boy. I love this. I used this yesterday and I love it. I also used this. I'm already here. Like, I didn't even use one. I always just use everything at the same time. Like, can't I control myself? Oh my lord. It's for another leave-in conditioner that contains soya bean oil and vitamin E. I can't try this also. I think I would like. My hair is like, why do I have only one head? Why? So these are all the products I have, all the Sengemenge and the blended products I own right now in Lagos. I have a lot more in school, but these are the ones I'm going to be using on a steady now. New products for the new year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please tell me like brands that you've tried in the comment section. Let me know the ones you own this year, you just got, you just purchased, you just received. Tell me in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, share the video with your friends, your enemies, your lovers, your haters. Sorry. Follow me across all social media platforms, Natural Ukachi. Give this video a thumbs up, give this video a thumbs up, give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Twitter, like my Instagram page, and follow me on like my Facebook page and follow me on Instagram. That's the word. So that what should I say? Subscribe and have a beautiful year.